this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can make money with Bitcoin in 2025. Now, out of all the available investment to mankind in the last 10 years, Bitcoin has proven to be the best performing asset. Now, those who invested in Bitcoin 4 or 5 or even 6 years ago have now made so much money. And guess what? 2025 could be another game-changing year for Bitcoin profit. And I'm going to show you 5 strategies to potentially make money with Bitcoin in 2025. So whether you're a complete beginner in crypto or you're an experienced investor, these 5 methods or these 5 strategies could help you take advantage of what might be one of the biggest opportunities in the crypto market in 2025. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now, with that being said, here's how you can make money with Bitcoin in 2025. The first way is to buy Bitcoin and hold. Now, if you are wondering whether you should invest in Bitcoin or not in 2025, here's something you need to know. Now, you need to understand that out of every available investment in the last 10 years, like I've said earlier, Bitcoin has been the best performing asset. Now, this shows you that Bitcoin has proven to be a reliable store of value and investment, even for the next 10 years. And if you go back to 2021, something happened with Bitcoin, which will most likely happen in 2025. And I will explain it to you right now. And I want you to listen attentively. Because what I'm about to tell you is to let you know that it's not about buying Bitcoin and holding alone, but about when you buy and when you hold. Now, back to 2021. In January of 2021, Bitcoin was around $28,000. Now, at that time, people were scared to invest in Bitcoin, thinking it will crash or it will go down. And then these people looked as Bitcoin moved from $28,000 in January of 2021 to $63,000 in April of 2021. Now, that's more than 100% profit in just 4 months. Now, these people who were scared to invest in Bitcoin when it was around $28,000 in January of 2021 were now awake and wanted to invest in Bitcoin in April 2021 when it was around $63,000. So these people invested thinking that Bitcoin will continue to go up from $63,000. But that is not how Bitcoin works. It's not something that just go up and never come down. No, Bitcoin goes up and down and it is normal. But instead of Bitcoin going up like people expected in April of 2021, Bitcoin came down to $31,000 in June of that same 2021. So people that invested at the top in April of 2021 have now lost almost half of their money. And at this point, they were saying Bitcoin is a scam and all sorts, so they sold their Bitcoin. Now, after selling their Bitcoins in June of 2021, Bitcoin moved up again to $67,000 in November of that same year, of that same 2021. So at this point, these people who sold their Bitcoins in June of 2021 were starting to regret and wanted to invest their money again. So they invested again. And then for about 1 year, Bitcoin didn't even go up again and it crashed to $16,000 in December of 2022. So at this point, most people sold their Bitcoins because they were scared and started calling Bitcoin a scam. Now, fast forward to today, Bitcoin is around $100,000 and these same people now want to invest in Bitcoin again. Maybe if they invest in Bitcoin again, maybe Bitcoin will crash, we don't know. But with this little illustration of what happened with Bitcoin in 2021 and 2022, you've seen that it's not just about buying Bitcoin. It's about when you buy and when you hold. Because a lot of people just buy when the market is going up and when the market is going down, they keep selling. That is not how you do Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people keep losing money in Bitcoin because they keep investing at the top or during the bullish market and they keep going out during the bearish market instead of doing the opposite. And there are some people who lose money because of FOMO, that is the fear of missing out. They will see Bitcoin going up and because they don't want to miss out, they invest their money thinking it will continue to go up like that. No, that is not how Bitcoin works. Now, like I said earlier, this year, there's a big chance that we'll see what happened in 2021 and 2022. So what is the right way to buy Bitcoin and hold? Now, the first thing I want you to do is that from today, I want you to start investing a specific amount of money in Bitcoin every week or every month, depending on your financial capacity. Now, this is something called dollar cost average method of investing. Now, this way, even when there are market dips, you are still investing and holding. And when the market goes up again, you will be making far more profit on your investment. Now, the second thing I want you to do is that whenever Bitcoin crashes down or when we are in a bearish run, double or triple that amount you are investing every week or every month. Because the best time to invest more in Bitcoin is when we have market dips. And we'll see some market dips in 2025, trust me. So you see the opportunity some people lost by not buying more Bitcoin in the bearish run in 2021 and 2022. Don't lose the opportunity in 2025. So if you want to make money with Bitcoin in 2025, again, buy Bitcoin and hold. Now, before I go to number 2, I discovered that about 70% of you who watch my videos do not subscribe. So please, if you love my videos and you get so much value from them, I will really appreciate it if you click on that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you. Now, the second way to make money with Bitcoin in 2025 is Bitcoin staking. Now, Bitcoin staking is a way to earn passive income by locking up your crypto on specific platforms. Now, when you stake your Bitcoin, you are essentially putting it to work, and in return for locking your Bitcoin, you are receiving staking rewards, which are typically paid out in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as the case may be. Now, there are different platforms out there that you can use to stake your Bitcoin and earn passive income. We have Binance, we have Bybit, we have KuCoin, and so on. So the first thing you want to do is to go to whichever crypto trading app you use and go to the crypto staking page and stake your Bitcoin. And I also have videos on how you can do this on Binance and Bybit. I'll put the links to these videos in the description below. So if you are thinking of staking your crypto or Bitcoin in 2025 to make passive income, make sure you check out those videos. Now on these platforms, instead of just buying and holding Bitcoin, you can get to earn passive income with your Bitcoin. However, there are some important considerations you need to know before you do this. Now, the first thing you need to know is that lockup periods can range from a few days to several months, depending on the app you are using to stake. There are some that can lock up your crypto or your Bitcoin for about 7 to 30 days, while there are some that you can lock up your crypto for about 3 months to 12 months. So it depends on the app you are using. Now, the second thing you need to understand is that different platforms offer different APY rates. Now, APY means annual percentage yield. Now, this is the percentage profit you get after staking your Bitcoin for 1 year, and it varies from one app to another. So again, it depends on the app you are using. Now, the third thing you need to understand is that there may be a minimum amount you need to stake depending on the app you use. And the fourth one is that ensure you use a trusted app like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and so on. You don't just go and use any random app to stake your Bitcoin. Now, the third way to make money with Bitcoin in 2025 is Bitcoin liquidity mining. Now, Bitcoin liquidity mining is a process where you provide crypto to trading pools on decentralized exchanges to facilitate trading. Now, here's how it works. You know, when you trade on a trading app, you are paying something called a trading fee. Now, that's how exchanges make their money. But in liquidity mining, you serve as the exchange in this point. Now, what I mean is that you provide liquidity, which is your money, to traders on the exchange, and you make money through the trading fees. That's simply how it works. So in case you want to learn how to make money with Bitcoin liquidity mining, I also have a tutorial video on this. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. Now, you also need to understand that liquidity mining is a way to earn passive income for yourself with your crypto. So again, instead of just buying and holding your crypto, you can use your Bitcoin to make passive income through liquidity mining. So that's the third way. Now, the fourth way to make money with Bitcoin in 2025 is Bitcoin futures trading. Now, Bitcoin futures trading is a form of derivative trading where you can speculate on the future price of Bitcoin without actually owning the cryptocurrency. Now, when you trade futures, you are essentially doing your technical analysis to predict the future price movement of a coin. Now, why did I call it Bitcoin futures trading? Now, focusing on one trading pair like BTC USDT can be highly beneficial for several reasons, and I'm going to explain them. Now, the first reason why this is beneficial is better understanding. Now, when you focus on a single trading pair like BTC USDT, you become more familiar with its price pattern, its behavior during different market conditions, and its typical price movement. Now, this deep understanding can help you make more accurate trading decisions. And this was something that really helped me with trading in the last 2 years. I focused on just trading 2 trading pairs, and this made it easy for me to always do my analysis and predict future price movement. Now, the second reason why this is important is that it reduces complexity. Now, instead of trying to keep track of multiple trading pairs, when you focus on just BTC USDT, it allows you to dedicate all your attention and analysis to one market. Now, this simple act can lead to better trading performance. Now, the third reason you need to do this is consistent strategy development. Now, by trading one pair consistently, you can develop and refine your own trading strategy more effectively, and you will learn what works and what doesn't work for that specific trading pair. However, when you are trading futures, you need to remember some important things. Now, the first thing is to always use stop loss orders to protect your capital from significant losses. The second thing is that you can start with small amounts until you develop consistency in your trading. The third thing you need to understand is that don't use excessive or high leverage, as it can lead to quick liquidation of your trades. So I advise that you stick to 10x leverage or 20x leverage if you are a beginner. Now, the fourth thing you need to understand is that you need to keep detailed records of all your trades to analyze and improve your performance. Now, the key to success in futures trading is patience, discipline, and proper risk management. Now, the fifth way to make money with crypto in 2025 is to invest more in the top 10 coins. Now, this is not about Bitcoin actually, but this one is for people who want to invest in crypto and not lose money in 2025. So if you're in this category and you want to invest in crypto in 2025, I advise you to invest more in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Now, at the time of making this video, if you go to CoinMarketCap, here are the top 10 coins by market cap. Now, these are the coins that you invest more in. You have BTC, you have ETH, USDT, XRP, SOL, BNB, USDC, Doge, Cardano, and TRX. Now, you also need to understand that investing in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap is generally considered a lower risk strategy in the crypto space for several important reasons, and I'm going to explain those reasons. Now, the first reason is that these top 10 coins have proven track records and they have survived multiple market cycles, so you are less likely to lose money when we have market dips. Now, the second reason is that they typically have larger market caps, which means that they are more stable and less volatile compared to smaller cryptocurrencies. Now, the third reason is that these top coins usually have strong development teams and they also have clear use cases and active communities behind them. So they have high tendency of moving up in real value. Now, the fourth reason is institutional investors often focus on these top cryptocurrencies, thereby providing additional market support for these cryptocurrencies. However, you need to understand that even though investing in these top 10 coins is relatively safer, you should still monitor the market conditions regularly and diversify your investment across multiple coins rather than putting all your money in one. So there you have it. These are the 5 powerful ways to make money with Bitcoin in 2025. So whether you choose to focus on smart holding strategies or staking or liquidity mining or futures trading or even diversifying into the top 10 cryptocurrencies, remember that success in crypto requires patience, research, and careful risk management. Also, keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and it is important to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Please don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with more crypto content. Also, if you have any questions about how to make money with Bitcoin in 2025, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you want to learn crypto trading and become profitable faster as a beginner, click on the video showing on your screen right now.